Stop paying for third-party scanning websites to find stocks. TradingView has a massive built-in database screener that you can filter directly from your charting interface. Look at the very bottom right corner of your screen. You will see a circle with multiple squares in it. Click it. Then go to the top and click Screeners. TradingView has multiple screeners. If you look on the top left, you will click on Stock Screener, and then you'll see a whole array of different screeners. It has a stock screener, ETF screener, bond screener, crypto coin screener, a centralized exchange screener, and even a decentralized one. Now here's the great thing about this. TradingView has so many different filters for you to play around with. You can see the main ones displayed right here. But if you want more, there's a plus icon right here that you can click on and add different filters. Simply search new ones up and they'll be right there for you to click. For example, let's look at some financial screeners. Click on financials and let's add net income. Above 10 billion. Perfect. Let's add a couple more. Let us add ROE above, let's say, around 10 to 20%. Awesome. Now that we have our filters set, we don't want to lose it. All you have to do to save a template of filters is click the blue Save Screens button right next to the stock screener on the top left. It's right here. Click it and let's name this something. My stock screener template. Perfect. Have a great day, guys.